Hello viewers, today I am showing you Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, which is 6.5 inch 128 gigabyte. It's Cloud Navy 5G, which is touch screen. It weighs 190 grams. So let's unbox it. Here you go. The box is in my hand. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna open it now. This is the sealed box to make sure it is new and nobody opened it. If the seal is broken, that means someone opened it. So I made sure it's not opened. Here I can see the box. There is a small box in the lid which contains the pin to take the SIM chamber out. I have to push it in through this with this pin. I can see the box. I can check inside. That's the booklet, user manual, how to use basically, and the color is beautiful. It's called Cloud Navy. Beautiful color. Can see, and the empty boxes for the gaps. Here you go, the lid, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, that's the lid. Which is not that long, but it's okay. It will do for me. What else in the box? Oh, they didn't provide any headset. Maybe because for now is the time for Bluetooth, so there is no connection. There is no hole for the wired earphone. So let's turn it on. That's the overall look for Samsung S20 FE. If you like my video, please subscribe on my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.